Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to invite friends on Temu. First of all, you can open the Temu application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now search at the top of the screen, that is free gifts. Tap on free gifts, and after this you can see the option invite friends to get one free gift. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the gift that you want to achieve by inviting friend. You can now tap on get now, and here you can just simply select pick gifts and start inviting. Tap on it, and it is the way you can invite friends on Temu. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.